Parents brokenhearted and taking serious action after their baby boy died during an hours-long delivery in a Georgia hospital. A Clayton County couple claims doctors failed to tell them that their baby's head became detached from his body during an emergency C-section. Atlanta News First reporter Patrick Quinn spoke with the family's attorneys who say doctors tried to cover up what happened.
After Jessica Ross's water broke last month, the Clayton County couple, they rushed here with hopes of having their first child. The details of what happened next, they're extremely disturbing. The family now filing a lawsuit on behalf of their late son, whose body they say was detached from his head during birth.
This is one of the most sad, egregious, and horrific situations that I've ever seen.
The attorneys of Jessica Ross and Travion Taylor laying out heartbreaking allegations stemming from what they call a botched childbirth.
When the womb was open, the feet came out, the body came out, and there was no head.
In the lawsuit, the couple's attorneys claim the baby's head was detached from its body after a failed vaginal delivery. They're alleging gross negligence during the birth and fraud in an alleged attempt to cover up the details of the boy's death, claiming staff also discouraged them from getting an autopsy.
They did everything in their power to try to not let the family know what actually happened on that date.
The attorneys say Jessica and Travion's story reflects a bigger problem with how Black women are cared for during childbirth. We looked into the numbers here in Georgia. Infant deaths are more than twice as likely for Black infants compared to white infants. We reached out to the OBGYN group and the hospital. A spokesperson of Southern Regional Medical Center denied the allegations and said due to privacy laws, they cannot comment on their care or treatment in this childbirth, and added, quote, "Our commitment is to provide compassionate, quality care to every single patient, and this loss is heartbreaking." Attorneys said they're seeking compensation and punitive damages, adding this tragedy and subsequent sorrow could have been prevented.
My clients asked for a C-section much sooner than it was ever delivered, while the baby was viable.
Patrick Quinn, Atlanta News First.